What up, guys? This is going to be a short and simple video. I honestly don't get it how two of my previous videos regarding connecting Ubisoft and Steam accounts, this and this, didn't help some of you. So, as I had mentioned in the comment and description of the last video, I'm going to show you the steps that I forgot to put in the video. My bad. And this probably works only if you have purchased a Ubisoft game on Steam. Come on, pirated ones don't count. Now the trick, if that's what you want to call it, assuming that your correct Steam account number from which you had purchased the game from is visible here in the Ubisoft app settings. Just do as I do, plain and simple. Let's begin. Search for Steam in the Windows search box. Next, open its file location. In the new Windows, right-click on the Steam shortcut and click on Properties. Next, click on Compatibility tab. Next, check this box. Run this program as an administrator. Don't forget to click OK. Similarly, now search for Ubisoft and repeat the steps. Open its file location. From the new Windows, right-click on the Ubisoft shortcut and click on Properties. Next, click on Compatibility tab. Next, check this box. Run this program as an administrator. And don't forget to click OK again. Now launch Steam. Open the Steam library. Find the Ubisoft game which you have CD keys issue with. In this case, I'm running the Crew Motorfest. Right-click on it. Next, click on Manage. Then click on Browse Local Files. A new Explorer screen pops up where the installed files of that particular game are stored. Next, right-click on the game's main application file. Click on Properties. Next, click on Compatibility tab. We are doing the same thing, but here it might work for some with checking the Run as an admin box or without it. It's working both ways for me. Let's try without admin first. Now I'm just launching the game from Steam, meditating for a while till the game opens. And there you go! Now I'm going to close the game and try launching it as an admin. Let me just quickly check the box and let's launch it. Fast forwarding again. Looks like this is working as well. I don't see any CD key or activation key pop-up. That's it, guys. If you still have trouble launching the games that you bought with your blood and sweat money, ask the God for help. Better than Ubisoft support, I guess. Or download the games directly from Ubisoft app and get rid of this account's linking headache altogether. Also, there is only one God, so peace.